Welcome to TTI. Welcome to a whole new world of science and fun. Today is a special day because we're going to explore some insanely good parking solutions which your country needs the most.
Number 10.
Bike Box 24. I know you guys love your motorcycles too much. You always worry about protecting your bike against rain, snow, and even from thieves who can steal your bike, or sometimes they steal petrol within it. Introducing Bike Box 24, an innovative compact garage that fits almost anywhere. This insane structure protects the vehicle from rain and UV rays and also provides a higher level of safety and security. This lockable shed for your motorbike is made of high-quality materials in Germany. This, of course, guarantees high reliability for each bike box component, as well as long service life. It weighs 150 kilograms, it is 2.7 meters long, 1.15 meters wide, and 1.7 meters high. The manufacturing company offers two different models. The standard kit price is $4,000, while the XL model costs $5,000.
Number 9.
Servocav Moto Classic. If you are comfortable with classic roof parking, then this thing is for you. The Servocav Moto Classic is a transparent box that combines compactness, functionality, and aesthetics. Its sidewalls, roof, and rear wall are made of a special high-strength plastic. Its frame is made of stainless steel. The Servocav Manufacturing Company offers two different sizes for this roofed garage with capacity for 1 or 2 vehicles. Its standard width is approximately 1.3 or 2 meters, and its depth is between 2.5 and 2.8 meters. It is quite impressive, which gives protection to even large motorcycles. This cabin is robust enough to withstand rain and sun rays despite its beautiful and fragile appearance. It could also match with any architectural concept. You can buy it for the price of $3,370.
Number 8.
Carduk Car Lift. Nowadays, cars are increasing enormously while parking spaces remain constant. Meet Carduk Car Lift, an innovative parking system which allows you to park 2 cars, one under another, at the same parking space. This design is particularly useful for private houses where there is not enough space in the garage or yard. This is a car lift which significantly expands the possibilities for parking. It can be used to park your car underground, in a basement garage, or as a standalone parking space. This system is powered by electricity and raises and lowers at a speed of 0.15 meters per second. The platform size is 5.3 by 2.6 meters, and its load capacity is 2 to 3 tons, thus allowing to park any kind of vehicle. While its installation may take from 5 to 15 days, depending on the kind of technology used.
Number 7.
Solar-powered retractable car garage. Everyone wants to protect their car from snow, sun, and rain. You might like this waterproof garage that works on solar energy and is produced by the Chinese company Qiaoyi and other companies. Its price varies from $2,600 to $4,500, depending on the model. It comes with a smart remote control and can also be controlled using a mobile application. The manufacturing company offers models working on solar energy. However, you can also run it on electricity. It takes less than half a minute to open and close, and it was designed to withstand winds up to 20 meters a second, after a weight load of up to 200 kilograms. For the building of this garage, an aluminum alloy was used to give it high strength. Moreover, it has enough space that can accommodate both sedans and SUVs.
Number 6.
Platform boat lifts. If you have a boat and $2,000, you can buy this parking system, created by an innovative company, North Shore. This parking system can be designed according to your needs and wishes, and it can be operated electrically or manually. Its cost also depends on the dimensions of the storage platform and its lifting capacity. It can lift from 2.7 to 19 tons, depending on the model. The operation of this device is effortless and can be installed above the water surface. Just press a button and the platform is lowered and your yacht is ready for its voyage. It has been designed to keep boats safe and tidy. All of its mechanical components are underneath the decking in the structure of the dock system, yet above the water, which makes it both practical and aesthetic. It also has a minimum contact with water, which guarantees durability. It has been equipped with a locking system to keep the boat for a long time, up to a year, without worrying about its safety.
Number 5.
Park Plus AGV. This automated parking system has an exciting design. It consists of free-roaming, battery-operated, omnidirectional units called trays, with video surveillance and individual sensors to control the movements of the units and the process of storing and retrieving the vehicles from the parking areas. It is operated by a special software. It has many advantages such as supplying maximum parking efficiency and very flexible settings. This is actually a smart system that monitors the parking lot 24/7 to make the most of the space, providing a convenient and quick parking. If you need your car back, just press a few buttons on the screen display, and you'll get it in a few minutes, ready to go. The parking process is even more comfortable. You just need to drive the car onto the tray, make sure that it's in the right position, then press a few buttons on the screen display, get out of the car, and the tray will take it to the parking area.
Number 4.
BendPak PL 14000. This is another lift designed to save parking space. The company BendPak built a system that allows to park up to 3 cars in one standard parking space. It can be used for indoor and outdoor lifting, and its creators guarantee its durability and reliability. A unique base frame has been provided to distribute the load evenly. This expands the possibilities for installation. Almost any concrete floor will be perfect to do so. It has been designed for parking sedans and SUVs, and each level of this lift can withstand a weight of up to 3.1 tons. BendPak was equipped with a heavy-duty steel lifting cable, automatic safety locks, and a reliable and ergonomic hydraulic power unit with the purpose of improving the safety of vehicles. You can order the PL 14000 for the price of $16,740.
Number 3.
AdLink. This is a fully automated parking system. You can control it with your smartphone and computer with the help of a special program. When a car owner enters the parking lot, they must scan their smartphone with a special device which makes it possible to record the vehicle's dimensions, and consequently, it selects the perfect parking space for the car. Finally, this system will raise the vehicle to a special platform, and it will automatically put it in the right place. To get your vehicle out of the parking lot, you must use the mobile application again.
Number 2.
Smart Parking Solution. This is an automated, compact, and vertical parking system. This invention can completely solve the problem of lack of parking spaces for big and crowded cities. Moreover, the robot is absolutely safe for independent use to place the car indoors. You just need to drive the car to a special platform, then lift the car to the required level with the help of a transport lift. An inbuilt screen allows the car owner to see the number of their parking space. To lower the car, you just need to dial that number on the screen, and the lift will bring the car back to you.
Number 1.
Ideal Park. Here we have another personal parking lot, a fantastic solution for private houses with a basement. Ideal Park is a huge elevator that locates the car underground, where it's driven into the basement. At the same time, on the surface of the streets, there's no trace of the whole garage in this space. Above its surface, you can locate a path or even a flower bed, so its construction will not occupy a single square foot of your territory. Thanks for watching! Which parking solution do you want, and why? Let me know in the comments below. You can support me on patreon.com and just by watching my videos. See you later. Peace.